Hey guys, welcome back to Breadbox Racing in 4x4. Today we're going to be doing some more work on the MGB. It's already done. I actually already filmed this, but I'm going to be replacing this part. So we're also going to be replacing this cross brace and putting the new radiator duct panel in there. You can see them both up here. The reason we're redoing this cross brace is you can see it's got a bit of a wave to the bottom of it there. It's kind of bent. And also the last guy to work on the car cut the flange off the backside. So yeah, could I fix it? Yeah, probably. Is it worth my time? Definitely not. So we're gonna just replace it. So as you can see, I welded this back part completely because I knew this part was where it needed to be. Up here, I had it where it needed to be. This flange, I still have to do the spot weld drills. I forgot to beforehand. That's on me. By the time I realized I hadn't drilled them, I had already done some of these plug welds and it was just too late. Down here though, I do have to massage this panel a little bit, because they're not a perfect fit right out of the formwork. So I'm gonna massage that into place, and then once I'm happy with it, then I'll go back and spot weld it. As you can see, like, then away hand. This is much better than what was there before. But yeah, I'm gonna go back. I'll probably do it off camera. I'll finish up all these spot welds. Sunday evening, it's getting kind of late, so and I do have to work in the morning. So this corner brace, it required a little tweaking just to get it to fit in here. I've got to grind that weld down still, but because the factory piece went, let me get this right, I think it went back here. I'm not sure how it was supposed to do that, unless there was supposed to be a slit cut there, maybe for a slit cut in the brace, that is. But yeah, it'll look nicer once I clean all the welding flux off. But I've got a little bit of a rust spot here I've got to deal with. Not too bad though. I can fix that by just cutting out that much and just making a patch panel. so it's on there. More or less fit. I just had to make a few tiny tweaks. Basically just bending these little tabs so that they were square because they were all kind of tilted out some. Other than that, basically it fit just fine. Of course, I neglected to drill the spot weld spots on the bottom tab, so I've got to do this all over again and pull that back out. Yay! But yeah, so that's what it looks like. So that's all done. It turned out pretty good, I think. I'm pretty happy with it. It's nice and straight. There's no rust. I threw some high zinc primer on there just to get it by till I do sandblasting, because I got to do something with the inside of the frame rails. And then I'll probably get a coat of Por 15 or Chassis Saver, which is the same kind of idea. It's a paint over rust product, and I've had really good luck with it on my Jeep. Anyways, for those of you who have made it to the end of the video, thanks a lot. The video on the axle has nearly hit 1,000 views, which is incredible. And as a bit of a surprise, because Father's Day weekend is this weekend, keep your eyes out on the channel for a weekend video. Got a pretty big surprise lined up. It's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait to show you guys. Anyways, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and